What is asafetida called in India? Hing or heeng is the Hindi word for asafetida, sometimes spelled asafetida. It's also been known as the devil's dung and stinking gum, as well as asant, food of the gods, jowani, badian, hengu, ingu, kayam, and ting. What is asafetida used for? Asafoetida. It is used widely all over the world as a flavoring spice in a variety of foods. Traditionally, it is used for the treatment of various diseases, such as asthma, epilepsy, stomachache, flatulence, intestinal parasites, weak digestion, and influenza. Why asafetida is used in cooking? Asafetida is used in savory dishes, often to add a more full flavor by mimicking the taste of onions, garlic, egg, and even meat. It's a staple ingredient in Indian cooking, commonly used along with turmeric in lentil dishes like dal, and a variety of vegetable dishes. What can I substitute for asafetida? If you don't have asafetida powder, you can substitute, per 1/4 teaspoon needed, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder plus 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. This will be less strong than the asafetida. Or substitute 1/2 teaspoon garlic or onion powder. Is asafetida safe to eat? When taken by mouth, asafetida is likely safe for most people in the amounts typically found in foods. There is some evidence that asafetida is possibly safe when taken by mouth as medicine. Which is called as the king of all spices? Black pepper is considered the king of spices, and rightfully so. Unlike its perennial companion, salt, which is easily available in any nook and corner of the world, the black pepper owes its origins to Kerala, a state in South India.